How to create Gmail and Google account on laptop PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open any browser and then search gmail.com. Press on enter. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on create account. Then click on for my personal use. After that, add your first name. Then add your last name and press on next at the bottom. Then you will need to add your birth month, birth date, year, and your gender. Then press on next at the bottom again. After that, choose your Gmail address. You can also create your own Gmail address. Press on next after you've done that. Create password and then press on next at the bottom again. After you've done that, you can add your recovery email or press on skip. Press on next, and here scroll down, press on I agree. After you have pressed on I agree, you're good to go. Your Gmail account and Google account will be created. As you can see, this is my new Gmail account, and with that, Google account is also created. This is how to create Gmail and Google account on laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.